These are going to be the main yellow elevators here at the IKEA store here in Lone Tree, Colorado. These are MEI elevators, standing for Minnesota Elevator Incorporation. I just rode these elevators a second ago to see if they have awesome motors, and they do. Let's go up to the mezzanine and listen to the motor. Here at the mezzanine, the button went out. I like how the floors are all color coded. Like the entrance is in blue, and P1 and P2 are in red and green. So let's go down to P2 and get a cab view. The indicator is messed up. That's weird. And that is for during the coronavirus. And those squares are for the social distancing for 6 feet, 2 meters. There's your floor indicator, your buttons. Innovation Universal button went out. 10,000 pound capacity. Very big. All right, let's go up to the mezzanine and do an impact cam so we can hear the motor. Alright, now we'll end it at P2 and call it a video. And the door close button works. You all love that. The indicator was messed up. It showed 5, and there isn't 5 floors, there's only 3. Let's do an indicator cam on the way down. And here we are at P2. These are big doors, honestly. And there's your cab view. All right, let the doors close. There goes the doors. And that's it. Thank you for watching.